Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen Little Crafter. Additional information about this show and my podcast show, as and everything in between can be found on my website, eileenthelittlecrafter.com. Hey, another dia&co unboxing! Hey! Awesome sauce. I'm glad you guys are really enjoying these unboxings. I'm still working on gathering pictures up so that you guys can see the high-low type deal. We're working on it definitely, 100%. Alrighty, so this dia&co box is my number 5 box, and Victoria O, thank you so much. You really listened to what I needed. I needed some skirts. Unfortunately, I now have a dilemma on what outfit I'm going to wear for these special occasions that are coming up. Alrighty, so let's see. We have some skirts. Molly and Isola, Marvel, East Ireland, I can't read these names. Okay, so if I buy everything, originally this box is retailed for $287 with all the discounts and stuff. This box will retail for $100.95. 25 cents, excuse me. So this lace-up tee, and I'll put the names in the caption because I don't want to butcher anything. This lace-up tee is pink and ivory, and this one retails for $45. It has these really cute detailing. I love the material. I am just a little concerned about the color. I don't know if it's me. I'm not a pink person, but this is so stinking cute. It kind of doesn't really look pink. It looks a little fuchsia a little bit to me. I don't know if it's the light, but I could be wrong. I'm not a colorist. So, excuse the noise. We also have this tie neck blouse, which retails for $65. Oh, and this is a 3X in case you guys are interested. And this is a Gabby tie neck blouse in navy. This retails for $65, and it's also a 3X. I love it. It looks very, trying to get it to stay. This is really cute. Short sleeves, very nice in the back. Tie, whatchamacallit. So that's that. The tie neck, and onto the skirts. So we have a, yes, this is not that one. Oh, this is the trouser pencil skirt in navy. This is in a size 28. I've never worn a trouser skirt in my life. I am super excited about that. I've seen it, and I always love this tailored look. Let me show you guys what this looks like. Okay, so this is at the front. It's zippered and 3 buttons. So we got 3 buttons. So, and did we get any extra buttons? No, we do not get any extra buttons for this. So, and this retails, what does this retail for? This retails for $59. And again, this is a size 28. I really love this. Now I definitely have a lot to think about. And then I have this wide band A-line skirt, which is in size 4X and retails for $59. And I love the fact that it stretches. And this is so stinking cute. Like the buttons on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has a bunch of buttons. Here we go. Come on, pick up. All right. So it has a bunch of buttons on the side, and again, this is size 4X, and this is $59. This is the A-line skirt in black. I always seen these skirts, and I've been like obsessed and in love with them. Alrighty, so I love the fact it kind of looks like it also looked like a shirt. So that's pretty cool. And this is a ruffle skirt in the color light wash, and this is a 4X as well, and it retails for $59. And again, I will put all the names and captions and in down below, so in case you guys want to, you know, ask for these particular items, you guys could see that. I love the fact that it looks like a kind of like a wraparound, but it is not. It has this cute little tie, and yeah, it's really closed, so you won't have to worry about that. I'm super excited. And yeah, so that is what came in my Dia box. Yay! And I'm super excited. I can't wait to try these items on, and very excited and happy. I want to also thank everybody who has been watching these videos. I know that it's been hard, you know, I don't know, like, it's been kind of weird. Like, I've just been trying to progress, and I hope that you guys have been enjoying these videos. If you guys have any comments, questions, or tips and tricks on how you guys do these types of videos, I'd definitely love to hear your comments down below. You can always email me your comments, questions, tips, and tricks. My email address is eileen@eileenlittlecrafter.com. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please like and subscribe, and have an awesome day. And I will definitely be taking some photos as soon as I can. I'm going to be making a montage of the outfits that I wore from all the things. Again, none of these videos are sponsored by anybody, just in case. What else? So yeah, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.